Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings to fix connection issues on Samsung Galaxy M05. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Reset Network Settings and wait for the results to appear. This option helps you fix network-related issues by restoring all Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings to default. Step 4. After performing the search, find Reset Network Settings and tap on it. Then, tap again to enter the Reset Settings menu. Step 5. For the last and most important step, Reset Settings, enter your password or PIN, and then confirm by tapping Reset again. Your network settings will be restored instantly. Your Galaxy phone's network settings are now reset, which should help resolve any connection problems you were experiencing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.